I'm Phillip Barbee. I'm a facial plastic and reconstructive surgeon here at Clevens Face and Body Specialists. I specialize in facial plastic and reconstructive surgery. You know, as a kid, I always wanted to work in a field where I was helping people. I also always loved working with my hands, and I love science. Really, surgery is at the core of those three things. My biggest core belief is always putting the patient first, because at the end of the day, that's what matters the most. I try to look at every patient as if they were my mom or my sister, and base my decisions on what I would do if, it was one of my family members. That moment when the patient comes back after surgery and the bandage comes off and they look in the mirror for the first time, that's really the ultimate satisfaction from a surgeon's perspective. Sometimes there's tears involved. That's just the ultimate satisfaction. So, I would tell someone if they're thinking about facial cosmetic surgery, the best step is just to come in and talk with us and set up a consultation, and we can sit down together and kind of go over what they're looking for, what they want to change about themselves.